Hello everyone. OpenAI Academy is providing free useful resources for learning artificial intelligence AI. You can visit it just by typing academy.openai.com. Okay, and you got to just give your email ID and you will be getting a link in your email for accessing that content. Okay, and here you can find video contents, lot of recorded videos targeting different kinds of people, including older people, okay, and teachers. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for many kind of people, and it's having a lot of videos, and apart from recorded videos, it's having this live streaming also. For that you have to just register. Clicking register is enough. Okay, apart from these videos and live events, it is having some external resources also. Okay, common sense education to that. Okay, so I believe it's useful, and they are saying that the blog post they mentioned that they will be adding more resources, and right now it is available only for English, and in the future they may be considering multilingual resources. Okay, it's not only for beginners, even for fine-tuning, RAG, everything is there. Okay, actually they announced about starting Academy a few months back itself, but recently they included a lot of free videos. Okay, and if you are interested to buy my AI course, you can check the link in the description of this video, and you can earn 50% of affiliate commission by referring my AI course to others. Thanks.